Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide sticker packs on Viber. Maybe you have too many sticker packs cluttering your sticker menu, and you want to hide some of them to keep things organized. So today I am going to show you how to hide sticker packs on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in their account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Sticker Market. In this market, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a list of sticker packs that you have downloaded. Now, find the sticker pack that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this pack. Simply tap on this eye icon at the right side of the name of the sticker pack. After that, the sticker pack will now be hidden from your sticker selection. You will no longer see the sticker pack in your sticker menu list. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide sticker packs on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide sticker packs on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.